So, hello there. This is Andymaxe Entertainment, and this is June Men's Mental Health Awareness Month. And today we are privileged and excited to talk to. He could introduce himself and tell us who he is.
Thank you so much, Smollo, for this opportunity. My name is Dr. Yusuf Saleh, a HR practitioner and a sustainability champion.
If I could ask, we go direct to the point. What does mental health in men mean to you?
For me, mental health means having men who are able to function properly, meaning they are normal in terms of what they're expected to do and how they're dealing with people around them. So for me, that is being mentally fit.
Have you ever struggled, or rather, have you ever come across anxiety, depression, or you have a friend probably who has gone through things to warrant him not being okay, or rather his mental health being okay?
It's normal for you to have anxiety or depression as a human being. For me, I've experienced this. As a HR, we deal with a lot of emotional beat from the people's perspective. We deal with a lot of things work-related. And by default, you find yourself anxious about decision or thing you want to deal with. And for me, it happened even when I was still a student. I remember when I was struggling with my studies, my doctorate study. It was not easy. You just submitted your work and you're expecting your professor to give you feedback. You're not sure what is coming from your supervisor and all that. Again, people are expecting you to complete your studies, within a certain period of time, your peers and all that. So a lot of pressure. So it makes you feel anxious all the time. In fact, I remember the time when we used to submit our work in the wee hours of the night. That is the time that your professor is giving you feedback. Sometimes you lose sleep, you lose time even to interact with your peers, your friends, your family. That is something that I've experienced. Also from friends, I've seen friends struggling with stress, depression, anxiety. People could not even eat. You see people losing weight, others adding weight. Sometimes people just go into silence. They're detaching from the world, starting doing things differently. So these are things I've observed as a HR practitioner, and even as a member of a family. You see a particular member of family behaving differently.
What we are saying is we have to be accommodating. You have to ask yourself, why is this person all of a sudden behaving this way? So we need to keep this to close. We don't have to jump into conclusion. Try to find out how can you support this. Allow them to vet, allow people to vet.
Andymaxe Entertainment. Feel it. Experience it.